10 reasons why you are still broke and alternative ways to start making money. In this video, you will learn the 10 reasons why you are still broke and alternative ways to start making money. Let us get started. This is Wealth Secrets TV. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you will not miss anything. Get rich, be financially successful, and live your life. All this is what we want from us. Think about our future. In fact, many never realize the dream of financial success, but not because it's not possible. Everyone with the right mindset and right behavior can do this. People often act in ways that do not contribute to economic success without realizing it. They are ruining their economic future and preventing bankruptcy almost forever. It is important to understand that wealth creation is not a matter of luck. This does not happen to some people, not to others. Creating wealth requires strong effort, planning, coherence, discipline, responsibility, and above all, excellent financial management skills, regardless of your current financial situation or current income. There are thousands of people's success stories out of nowhere and extraordinary financial success. But to end the cycle of separation, we must first be aware of actions that hinder the creation of wealth. Reason 1: I don't have the right mindset. As you may have heard before, the right attitude towards your life and finances is crucial for success. The way you think about things leads to the way you act. Trusted affiliate brand link. We can earn commissions to help us grow. See our information for more information. It would help if you first decided that you want to be financially successful. When you are psychologically prepared, you do everything you can to succeed, no matter how bumpy the road is. Right thinking means believing that you can succeed and decided to start and learn to be motivated and inspired. Reason 2: no planned costs. Debt, save money, invest, live a life. To succeed in any of these things, you need to plan money. This means training with a limited budget. A budget helps keep costs lower than income and helps you plan what you can spend, save, and invest. If you find that your money is quickly slipping between your fingers, have you ever wondered where all your money goes, and then you can use it for your savings and investments? It ends a little after each salary. The key is to track your expenses and make your budget your best friend. The wealthiest person in the world, while still rich, has a budget. They might not call it a budget, but they might have spending, savings, and investment plans. And if so, you must. The goal is to control your money and give every penny you make for your work. Reason 3: spend more than you produce. This is one of the leading causes of the bankruptcy of people and a direct consequence of the budget deficit. Using more than your income means you cannot save, and you are also overloaded and more likely to borrow. It is important to track your expenses and make your budget a good friend. See Reason 2 above. If you have not succeeded in the past, you have not found the right budget method yet. Budgets are not universal, and if you use the best method, you have a better chance of success. Reason 4: lack of self-discipline. Self-discipline is one of the biggest fields for people to strive for financial success. Sometimes I struggle with this. People set goals in good faith, but don't always take courses from time to time. It is a battle for the desire to satisfy needs, immediate gratification, and, of course, for the emotions that accompany it. Having a bad day for depression and a good day for being too happy and worth knowing because of many failures. How do you handle this? In my experience, I think that a strong desire for success is the first step. Self-discipline requires practice, which means that you need to make conscious efforts to improve self-discipline every day. You also need to keep your goals visible so that you can see them every day and stay motivated. Besides, responsibility is very important. If you find it difficult to control yourself, consider finding someone responsible for your actions and the financial goals you set for yourself. Reason 5: lend everything. Don't plan, spend more than you get. Just put it on your credit card, right? In any case, tell yourself that you can pay the next salary. At the same time, accounts are growing and harder to hold. If you face this situation, it is important to plan a way out of debt. However, for the plan to work, you need to stop spending money on credit and promise to get new debt. You also need to work on your financial mindset and develop new financial management skills. It is not as easy as it sounds, but as long as you are determined and focused, it is possible. Reason 6: keep saving your savings until they grow. If you want to generate wealth, you need to save. Many people mistakenly believe that they need to earn more to save, but this idea is bad. When it comes to saving money, it develops habits and consistency. Even if your income is not as high as you want, you can get used to saving habits, focusing on saving as much as possible and doing it consistently. If you can save only $1 or $10 every time you get paid, do it from time to time, a little plus a little plus a little more. Even if you think you cannot save a little, you cannot save if you have a lot. Another big mistake is to believe that you have a great job or a good income, and you can save time and do it at any time. The truth is that life will come. In most cases, safety is not guaranteed. Dismissals, acquisitions, or simple economic changes can immediately stop this plan. Start by creating an emergency fund, then work to save money for other goals. The emergency fund ideally requires a basic cost of living of 3 to 6 months to cover unforeseen living conditions. Reason 7. Do not invest. The most popular reasons people do not invest money are: investments play. Investments are reserved for the rich. The investment is too complicated. Well, if you came up with this excuse, it is time to stop immediately. Investing is a way to spend money on services and generate real wealth. Again, this is an area where many people fail because they think they have time or retire too much. Now, if you want to live a wonderful retirement life, you will have to spend a lot of money, and the money that you need to support yourself for years will save and grow. It will take some time, so let's get started early. There are several ways to invest in. Start by participating in your employer-sponsored retirement plan and take advantage of all the family ties they offer. You may also consider opening an IRA to increase the savings you can make for retirement using tax credits. Reason 8. Compete with everyone. It can also be called the next Jones. You understand that you are buying something that you don't have enough money to impress people that you don't like and don't care about. When it comes to material things, keep your appearance, and compete with people to confuse your attention. Do not compare yourself with others. If you do your best to make it visible, you can spend too much and take too much to save everything. If you want to create real wealth, as Dave Ramsey said, you must live like no other now, so you will live like everyone else in the future. You can focus on your goals and not worry about what others think of you. Above all, focus on gratitude and satisfaction on your journey to wealth. Your biggest competition is you, not others. Reason 9. Do not give priority to debt repayment. Debt is fed up, and you should not tell me if you have one. The problem of debt is that most people do not prefer repayments. They are used to paying a minimum or a little more, but they do not understand how long it takes to return them, and do not plan to do it aggressively. Aggressively solving your debt means cutting costs and increasing your income and adding extra money that you can imagine for your debt. This means understanding, and choosing a method of paying off debts whose positive attitude is temporary. When you pay off your debt, you will have more money to move on to what is important to you. Reason 10. Scary. Fear of failure. This is a big problem. Too many people find themselves in financial difficulty because they fear bankruptcy. They are afraid of business, sacrifice, service, mistakes, and loss of money. They are afraid that proper money management may take too much time or be too difficult to learn. Now, if fear holds you back, it is time to realize that you cannot succeed without trying. In other words, do this one step at a time. First, evaluate your current financial situation, then develop a budget and a long-term plan. Are you having trouble doing this yourself? There is no shame in asking for help. Do not be afraid to fail. Invest in wealth creation. If you are guilty of the above actions, now is the time to make significant changes to start working on creating real wealth. And it starts working for you. Invest in personal growth and development. Read books, attend classes, learn and improve your skills. By investing in self-improvement, stay in the center of success and success. Therefore, he interrupted the life cycle from one salary to another. I'm fed up. Instead, it is time to start building your wealth and financial wealth. I hope you like this video. Click on the like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. Let us know if you like or dislike it in the comment below, and we will be glad to hear your feedback. Thank you. We love you.